Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Watching this so red, I've been just watching YouTube. It hurts. Today I'm probably just gonna feel good. I'm gonna get my dog and it's gonna be up. Laser. Yeah. Quit. You don't even bark. And there's you don't want to work with me. You know what I'm gonna do? You okay? You okay? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go show you that I live just like a neighborhood like place. Oh. Dang that shoe. Let's go. Yeah. One second. Walking back in the door, and I busted my knee and my elbow. Maybe I'll take the board out with me. Gosh, it hurts really bad. Also, pretty nice out. And dark. Yeah, that's right. It's a little chilly. See if you can hear. That tree. There's a crap ton of bees that has been there. So yeah. Look at the little plant. I haven't told you guys this, but here's the neighbor's house that I absolutely hate. I have no clue what this is. I just never seen this. Okay. About 6 minutes. I've got 6 minutes, 6, 7. I've got 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the lake. Pretty nice. Bunch of birds and squirrels. What is this? I don't know. It's so nice out. So my freaking ankle's killing me now. Well, I'm sorry, my screen just went black. I've always had ankle problems ever since football. Like, yeah. Turn off the fix it. I don't know if you got that. It's been 8. I've got 2 minutes. I'm gonna run. Nice little run. Chilly. That little run, I didn't get me tired. It's just so cold out. Whew.